Okay, for the first time, I'm gonna try to price you and put OS on it, and see what looks like. Well, at least post, but I'm still kind of concerned with the BIOS that probably short something out. It's really not good, but hopefully I put up the BIOS preset jumper and that's all it was. But I put the board right on the case without being on the standoff. That was a really bad idea. Put my multi-boot flashes on keyboard message, my keyboard, as a master keyboard. Turn it on. It has spun the light. And I do have a close screen on it. And it's not supposed to do that. That is not UEFI. I need to disable the UEFI to boot this flash drive. So let's go to advanced mode, settings, see boot config, priorities, same features, other OS. Let's try that. Okay, secure boot. Let's try disabled. Let's try that. This is not a UEFI based flash drive. And it should not be doing this. Let's go to the browser. Boot. I want to find something called. You can't do it UEFI. Advanced. Trigger. I want that. Secure boot mode. G, CSM, few core in your channel. Call advanced speed setting. No. Should be in here, do you think? Let's see here, Gigabyte H410M disable UEFI or after. Is this good? That is not the best we have. See it on the board. Other. And it says disabled. Boot secure boot. Yeah, I want this disabled. It didn't boot. Why does that boot? that. There's the extra foot. The heat is in. Why is that doing that? Not necessarily a good thing, sure. I mean, that flash drive is a big problem with it because I need it on the speaker a lot. I could boot it from the keyboard or not. Oh, default boot volume. Yeah, it's not supposed to do that. Let me see here. Oh, enable C as and that disables secure boot. Okay. Let's try that. So enable C as not disable it. Let's try that. Nope. Let's get to the left here. Boot CSM support enabled. There we go. Legacy. That's what we wanted right there. So now we go save and exit. Hopefully it boots off of the drive properly into the menu and not that menu. Should have a blue and black menu it goes to. Boots properly. Okay. No, there's no picture of it. Come on. That's a little concerning. That's choosing that boot. Okay. That's really not good. Oh, that's been quiet, but it's not doing anything. Fuck. Bro. Shit. Is both lights are dead and I can't report the camera because of that. And that won't post. Just taking the flashlight out and see if that helps. I'm putting the flashlight that I put in there. And then you've caused some damage to the board. I hate to say that, but I have. But then again, if really know it's on it, to me it never would be on. But it won't even post now. I will quit posting over us by accident, which okay, well, I guess I'll do the hard work of bringing down the lights and the power supplies, having it that way. I'm going to do that now, so, shit. And it's really not good. That won't even post. Alright. Let's go on an adventure, shall we? Fuck. Alright. I have a computer down the corner. Almost not hooking things up. This kind of sucks, but what can I do? Just been like doing. I love this screen capture. I wanted to run it just straight from the monitor. Just for diagnostic purposes. Whoa. That HDMI right there. Find my HDMI cable. Find a power cable. Just nice and short one. Look at this. Well, sometimes even with it on the floor, it still has the same problem. So for that, you will slip that. Take it, put it in here. Okay. Alright, turn it on. And let me get with the monitor. Listen quiet. Yeah, you got here. You got the Acer. Rather. Right around the HDMI, right? Yep. As I expected. Shit. Alright, oh. Next up. Let's just turn it up. Ooh. Shit. There. Next up, take it apart. We're gonna remove the power cable. And power going at off. And pop your battery up on the lever. A few things could happen. One, maybe that caused some damage to the board. Two, maybe when the BIOS got reset, which I think the way the BIOS jumper is, I think that one screw bumped into it as I was trying to put the screw in and it fell off the screw. Maybe the reset jumper got bumped and didn't quite clear it all the way. Maybe. Possibility. Maybe it needs a BIOS update. Maybe the BIOS is bad. I just need to update the BIOS to get to work. Right now, you need it to just post. And I can't quite get that working right now. So, it's very concerning for outages. It also matters because it really works now. With the rough one, because today not a good thing to have happen. Alright. Go to the panel here. Get it like thinner a bit. Maybe seam quite I did. I can get the jumper, but I don't have a jumper for it. That one's beautiful, I probably bumped that jumper. I haven't caused the battery set. I'm gonna pop the battery out of the board. Pushing the glass to clip. Get it in. No problem. Let's do this. Unplug power supply. Or turn it off. I'm unplugging it to make sure there's a battery. And if you do this to a laptop, it should remove the laptop's main battery as well as the power supply and the smart battery. Just a second to sit here. And yeah. I'm gonna put the load back in. Right. And turn it back on. Once it boots up, and it quit out. Hopefully you get a picture on the monitor. We are not. It's one bit. Okay, go here we go. Picture is that way. Gonna go ahead and turn the lights off here. I have it going to the test card. Let's say I'm going to the monitor to diagnose this. Hit the full monitor view. Alright. Computer. Okay. So we're seeing the clean the BIOS for it is Dr. Person. That's good to see. So boot, your CX port and Motherboard. And save and exit, yes. Let's do post for that. Let's see, Gigabyte board won't post CSM board. Alright. I'm going to try to unplug the Celeron. That's not. Unplug the Celeron. It's the from the motherboard. And boot. And nothing. Alright. Fuck. I have to clear the keynote again. So I'm so excited. I got clarity. Hopefully I need a bias with it fixes. I kinda literally that, but I mean that's an option to try. It's cause I get the fucking thing to do it. So with that, top doesn't go down again. Alright. That out. I just got the main board. I'll see what you do here. Right then, a blast update. I'm going from there. Okay. I should probably say check what version it had on there first, but I sincerely doubt it's the latest version. So I'm gonna go ahead here and so what it says set in the stream recording? Maybe. Let's see. Oh. That's this file. Alright. Oh. Yeah, my monitor. The fuck? What that? Pulling out of the monitor. Shut up. Let's see here. The basic monitor. I haven't right set what version it's in. I don't got system info. Or do that. The more basic one. Fuck. You know, okay. I consider that as the latest version. I'll go down to the latest and try to update it. Maybe that'll help. Hopefully it will. I really wouldn't damage the board, but I may have. Fuck. Yeah, I'll find the flashlight first. Oh, don't fuck this up. Don't fuck this up. Yeah, that's 16 gig drive right here. Alright, let's see. That's the, yep. The going. This is a macOS leopard installer. What is that? Use that to update the device. So volume. Probably should do FAT32, but. Okay. Okay, other. Yeah. Go ahead and open up the browser here. Not for that browser. Don't do that unless you need the information on the drive. I didn't. So, I erased everything on that drive. So, you might for that. Do not do that unless you do not need the information on the drive. Your supports, downloads, BIOS, F5B. Well, look at that. Support legacy HDMI display output when CSM is enabled. You know what that means? Does that mean why it's not working? Support legacy HDMI output. Support legacy HDMI display output when CSM is enabled. That is why it's not working. Look at me, so smart. That is good. I'm glad it's not my fault. I jammed something, but rather because they versions update. Cool. Let's see what it do. Let's see what it does that. Cool. What are the instructions on how to actually do this? So the HDMI, the VGA probably works, but the HDMI won't. So what do I need to do for this? Oh, that's it. Instructions on how to fucking. There's instructions on how to fucking update the BIOS. How do you put it? It probably says in the folder. Duh. Let's find. Extract this. There are no instructions. Okay. Okay. That says nothing. There's no OS on the board. Oops. Okay, here we go. Check the files and see if she flash drive. I do 2532. I'm smart to do that. Sweet. Post has end. Alright. So let's take. Where did it put it? These. And copy it to the flash drive. Like so. Put that in the machine and see what happens, I guess. Alright. Better roll and see. Okay. So, I wanted to put the battery back inside the board. Now I have it out because why not? I'm glad to see that this is the reason why I said that this recording. I forgot to do that. Oops. Alright. Battery back in. Plug in the HDMI. We're gonna flash that to the back of the machine. Front probably okay, but I'd probably use the back. Just because. Plug it in the mode. Plug in the power cable. Alright. Should have been. There it is. Alright. I need to reset just to make the corner stuff up. Alright, here goes picture on the screen. Let me turn off the lights here and keep it. You're going to get in the Gigabyte Q530 to flash the BIOS with the new version that's currently on the drive. So I do that. Okay. Okay. I'm going to go through Q-Flash. Update BIOS. Changes. Over to the and that and yes. Press the start. Alright. This is the part where you do this, you walk away from the computer and talk back till it's done. Should you not get the power of the board, you are fucked. I mean that, if you don't have the power of the board, you're going to kill the board. So I'm going to step back, away from it, and let you guys sit and watch while I look away and forget this even happened. I watch from the back, hoping this doesn't go to shit. Reboot in 3 seconds. Alright, cool. The video. What you say? A video. Alright, it's done. Cool, me a few more things. Just that's further. Alright. What I'm gonna do is disconnect the flash, right? Like a machine. On the back of the arm. I'm gonna go into advanced mode F2. F2. Alright. Boot. Yes, I'm enabled. 7 exit setup. Yes. Now let's see what happens. There we go. So, plug my flash drive now. Alright, what's a good flash drive? Alright, is it BIOS? What boot of that flash drive on it? Huh. That's strange. Don't boot up the flash drive. Oh, wait. There it goes. Alright. That's strange it does that, but it's preferring Gigabyte over Legacy. Let's see here. So you got into the flash drive, but exit, or escape rather, it goes to here. So what I think it is, see, BIOS is still late. Okay. Boot mirror. Boot. Boot configuration. Priority EVGA, yep. Go Samsung 1100 rather. And then save an exit. Save an exit set. Come on. Yes. And now, switch to that menu. And there you go. Alright, cool. Another question is, send me the flash drive and put the SSD back in. Can boot off of that. Just for curiosity's sake here. It's a luckily Windows 10 still. Yeah, I can. Now I put the SD back in. I put the calculator to try to tell what's going on with this thing. Oh, really? You fuck away. Well, that bit, so fuck it. You know, wipe it. I don't like do a shit to it, wipe it. Yeah, why not? We will. But now I know what the fix is then. That thing post with CSM enabled. That's your BIOS fault, not a more fault. Good to see us. Good to see indeed. Hercules. Oh, different hardware. So it's having a hard time doing it because this computer's like, I don't know, 14 years newer than the one that I installed this OS on. Alright, and then, oh, well. So now here's the bit that rebooting. Damn you. Let's see, how this here. Pretty sweet. I'm gonna boot all it. Okay, this is stuck on a loop. Fuck it. I'm not gonna boot. I don't think. Alright. Here's what we're gonna do instead. We're gonna bring the lights, or the lights on, bring the camera down. Alright. It's probably gonna boot now. We're gonna turn on the lights here. Turn it back on. I'll get back up on the table. And we'll swap over to it. I'll swap over to the King Header. I'll swap up Windows on here. Just temporarily. I'll put Windows on here probably eventually. But Just gonna throw it left center. Sport. See how it works. That's probably the wrong way to put it on, isn't it? Oh, upside down. Put it out there. Okay, here's the video where this thing fucking goes. Come on. Do you like that? Did you make it? Oh. Fine. Right here. I put it through it. Alright. Couple more. More stuff there. I'll get it done for the looks like. The camera away. Hopefully we can get this bitch to install OS on it. So I can get a fucking move on it. Can I be in on it now? I give it a fucking warning in the BIOS saying that I knew when that would do with HDMI, but no. That's too smart of you guys. Fuck was. Oh yeah. Alright, so it's my time. It's weird, but. Alrighty then. Alright, till then. Alright. I'm gonna put the computer back on the table. Put it back up and we'll try it again. Okay. Let's try it again. Part 2. But the thing fucking booted on it. Power size in, machine is on. Power how to write the keyboard, fuck it. I need this one, but it's here now. Oh boy. What? The fuck? Oh, power control is a D over the flashlight. Fuck. Why is it? Oh, I gotta plug that ding back in my monitor. That's right. Okay, shut that out real quick. I have the other expansion cord in the monitor. It's just sitting on the floor and I'm not touching anything. That's why I can't get it. And that's gonna fuck everything up. Is it not? Yeah, it is. Shit. Okay, let's try. Let me delete into the machine. Into the BIOS rather. Okay. So boot order wise. Number 1. This. So save and exit set, enter. Yes. You supposed to pay my fucking ass. Okay, there we go. Put menu, haha. And now I won't find the keyboard. Oh, fuck you. Okay, hang on. Cocksucker. Piece of shit. Turn that off. Find my other keyboard. Turn it on again. That's my main keyboard. See that works or not. Okay, here we have 1910. Jesus, God, it's a pain in my ass today. Install Ubuntu. United States. No. Probably the internet probably doesn't work because this is not right out, so I don't care with that. We're not gonna leave this under very long. Just to will it work? Can it be used? Just test out the hardware a bit and see. Erase and install. Install now. Because we don't care about that OSNet drive. And that was the failed scammer. Episode 10 or episode 20. Install. Okay. I'll bet when this is all said and done. Yay for fucking loading screens. Alright. That's just pretty fast. I'm glad to see that. And this is just fast as no one. I hope it is. So you mess up with USB 2 and 10 megabit or 100 megabit Ethernet. Yeah, the old machine had USB 2.0 still. And 100 megabit Ethernet. Check. Check. I mean, I messed up the compressor setting on the compressor. I messed up the compressor setting on my board. After that quick. I didn't see it coming on, but yeah. I really. Check. Check. Oh. It's not hitting the red, so it's real. That is the meter on obvious. What? Don't send. Next. Done. Or can you get on the internet is the question. Okay, that might be the dress. I just don't use them. I know that's right. Cool, I can get on the internet. Try to do it, but I'm sure it'll work fine. Come on. Oh, my internet's pretty slow on streaming videos. I know. That better charge too? Sweet. I have 4 battery charge because after I get done using factors. I got a plug-in missing, so it won't work. I never use alt members anymore, but yeah, it works fine. Let's see here, what can I do? Let's see if it's Gigabyte or not. It should be. I don't remember what I remember. Settings. CI. Then what? That's not this machine. Where's the network? Network. 1000 megabits. Oh, it's a Gigabyte. Alright, cool. Pretty cool. That's nice. Alright. Otherwise, I think it works. So, I don't have to do this yet. Yeah, alright, cool. I'm gonna end it here actually. If you enjoyed this build, and your little adventure at the end, trying to think to build it into my 20-bit flash drive. I've had that problem before, but hey, I'll add something new, right? I'll add something camera on things. Alright, that being said, if you all enjoyed this build, we'll see it being used more often as I do more computer based videos, PCs. Next time, of course, I'll bring out another PC because you need different hardware for different things, but generally speaking, I'm using this computer from now on. So yeah, she's finished. Alright, if you guys all enjoyed, definitely guys, take it easy.